Hey, imagine we're sitting here chatting, and I'm gonna walk you through the magic of crafting apps with Power Apps Canvas. It's all about those neat, drag-and-drop controls that sit on a blank canvas, just like tiles on a virtual mosaic. You pull in a control, tweak it to your liking, and tada! It's ready to spring into action. Now, let's get our hands dirty, shall we? First, Power Apps opens up this blank canvas, right? It's pure potential energy waiting to be harnessed. The canvas sits in the apps gallery, like a playground with infinite possibilities. You, my friend, are the architect here, and your building blocks are controls. A text box, for instance, is like the cornerstone of our app, allowing users to punch in text, maybe a name or a comment. Then there are buttons for user actions, like clicking submit or, say, play a video. Data connectors are like our app's veins and arteries. We connect them with controls, galleries for listing items, drop-downs for choosing, and toggle buttons for switch operations. It's like setting up a mini congress in our app. Every control is like a delegate, deciding what course of action to take. You see, each control in our Power Apps universe operates in its unique language. When pressed, its toggle changes states, and when selected, it sends data back and forth. It's crucial to give each control a home, an appropriate collection, that mirror the data we expect. Like matching socks with their pairs, right? But wait, there's more. These controls can talk to data stores using lookups. It's like summoning intelligence on demand. You ask a question, and the control sniffs out data that meets your criteria. It can pull records from back-end databases, other apps, even files, making you look like some sort of digital wizard. Alright, let's roll up our sleeves. Picture this. I want an app where users can find local artisans. I'll start off by picking a data connector to sync with a backend database housing artisan details. Then I'd be setting up a gallery to showcase those artisans. I'm going to give our users the ability to search, so in comes the text box for entering their search terms. Got it? Now, suppose my app lets them select their preferred artisan, a drop-down right, and order customized goods. Here, a button triggers the purchase process, and I'd set up a transition to make that selection look neat. Tells them back they made a choice, huh? Next, for the grand entrance, I gotta configure the visualizations to process order details. It's like the curtain call in this app's play. Alright, now imagine it's the end of the day. I need my app to tidy up. Think of a timer I put in place for that. As the timer ticks away, it's like it whispers, time's up, clear out. Now, when the timer hits 0, the app does its magic and clears the selected items from the gallery. Clean up time, but without a sweat. See the timer acting like a mini boss. So, every step of configuring these controls needs to dance to the beat of our app's soul. And when we put all these elements together, boom. You've got yourself a Canvas app that's not only good-looking but good-performing. Now, I want to talk data-wise without getting sciencey about it. Keeping track of user interaction through logging is pretty nifty, akin to keeping diaries. And if users encounter hiccups, having good handling strategies and fallbacks ensures they're not totally lost. You ever heard of an enterprise solution for our Canvas board? Yeah, it's serious business with all them security protocols and governance policies to keep our digital treasury locked up tighter than Fort Knox. There are best practices, right? Like making your interface user-friendly, responsive, and intuitive. Think less of a user manual, more like a story where everything makes sense. and those troubleshooting tales. Always good to have a well-documented manual just in case our user encounters glitches while making magic happen in our interactive Canvas app. So, we've talked about the canvas, built a thing with controls, and maybe you've got an epiphany, picturing your very own branded Power App canvas. Now, don't just stand there, go on and experiment, get cozy with these controls, their myriad flavors, and let your unique voice breathe life into your masterpiece app. Remember, though, like any piece of art, it needs the right gallery, or gallery in this case, say Power Apps, to reach its audience. So, it's time to share this baby with the world. And here's where I sign off with a twist. I invite you, take this knowledge, this spark of understanding, and visit neeraj.qzz.io anytime. Subscribe, share, and let's chat more on TechLab, where we can dissect and discover together even more. Until then, keep exploring, friends.